Hi there guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use Hardwax Hardwax oil. So I've got this sign here that belonged to my late father-in-law, got some sentimental value to me. I'm going to start by sanding it down with 120 grit and then onto 180. Then I will proceed to apply a coat of Hardwax Hardwax oil and leave that for 20 minutes. Remove the excess and then leave it for around 6 hours. Come back, give it a light sand with 220 grit sandpaper, and then finish it off with a second coat of Hardwax Hardwax oil. Now that it's sanded down to 180 grit, I'm going to take some Hardwax oil and smother it. Let's just rub it in. There we go. Now we'll wait for 20 minutes and remove all the excess. Don't worry if you've got lint or anything on it, that will come off once you remove the excess. It's been 20 minutes, now I'm removing the excess. Now already at this point it's touch dry, so you can handle it, which makes it nice, unlike a varnish or a lacquer where you gotta keep your hands off it and leave it. Wax oil, once you take off the excess, you can go ahead and handle it, no problem. Now we wait for 4 to 6 hours for it to dry, and then we'll go back and go over it with a 220 grit sandpaper and then give it its final coat. Alright there guys, it's been 4 hours It's a beautiful hot sunny day today, so I reckon this is dry enough to give it a 220 grit sandpaper, and I'm just using my mouse sander with that, and then we should give it its final coat. Just give it a wipe down. So I didn't apply any pressure, I just let the sander do its thing. And it's beautifully smooth. Now we can go ahead and put its final coat on. As you can see, I'm using very little. Now we just rub it in. No pressure, just very lightly. Alright, now we just leave that for another 20 minutes and wipe off the excess, and we're done. Alright guys, so it's been around 15-20 minutes. Now I'm just going to remove the excess. Just lightly wipe it off. There we go, it's that easy. And that's how you use Hardwax Hardwax oil. But very important note, these rags that you use to apply and to remove, please discard them in water before throwing them in the bin. Alright, there we go. Thanks guys, enjoy.